Ja, varför brukar USA folk skoina? What that says is, why do people in the US wear shoes inside? And I don't know. I mean, I think if you ask 100 Americans, you might get 100 different answers. But since you're asking this American, I'm going to give you this answer. One thing I've noticed about Norway is there's a lot of hardwood floors. I mean, you can look, I have hardwood floors, right? And hardwood floors just don't seem like you should ever wear shoes on them. Like, I don't know, they seem too nice. And in America, we have, and I don't know about it, these days, but like, especially when I was growing up, like everybody had carpets, and carpets are dirty, but they hide dirt as well. So you never could tell if your carpet is really dirty. So then no one is ever knowing if their floor is dirty. So they're just walking around in shoes. Just, I don't know. After living in Europe, for these years and stuff like that, and being here in Norway, it is a weird phenomenon, I think, of America and wearing shoes indoors. And it's not everyone. It's not everyone like you think. There are a lot of Americans, it's my mom's house, a lot of Americans out there that you don't wear shoes in their house. But there's definitely more Americans that will wear shoes in their house than Norwegians that will wear shoes in their house, which I don't think any Norwegians will wear shoes in their house. And seriously, I really think it's the whole carpeting. Like the 70s, they had the shag and everything, and there were still carpets. And I think that's really the main reason. Because as soon as you put some hardwood floors down, you don't want nobody to be wearing shoes, because then they'll track mud and you can see everything. Then you have to like clean it. You got to mop it and like really clean it. When you have a carpet, just vacuum it up, and you don't even need to do that all the time. Well, you do need to do it all the time, but they don't do it all the time. Me, I'm not a fan of wearing shoes in the house. I don't like it. I think it's gross. I don't want your dirty shoes in my house, on my floor, on my carpet, certainly not on my furniture. You can see when I'm in the house, I have indoor shoes. These shoes never, never, never go outside. And I have another pair of slides. Actually, I got like three pairs of slides over there by the door in case somebody comes in and they don't want to be barefoot. Like, I like the soft cushion underneath my feet. So to summarize, all I can say is, why do Americans wear shoes inside the house? Americans are weird, yo. You didn't know?